Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn what is Revolved Boss Base. We created these three sketches in lecture 27. We have created a circle, rectangle, and slot. Now we will see how to create structures using the revolve command. Just select your sketch, and go to Revolved Boss and Base. A window will open. First, we will select the axis of rotation. We have two axes in this sketch, the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's select this side. See, the sketches are revolved to create a 3D part. Click OK. Go to Revolve Structure, and select Edit Feature. You can change the angle of rotation from here. This is how it looks when you rotate only at 309 degrees. Again, go to Edit Feature. The selected contours option here is similar to Extruded Boss and Extruded Cut commands. If you want to create only one body, just select one sketch. OK. Again, Edit Feature, and make it 30 degrees. This is only one body revolved. Go back, and select all the sketches. OK. Now we will see another feature. Right-click, and delete this part. Yes. Again, select this sketch, and go to Revolved Boss Base. And select this axis. Again, adjust the angle. Now there is an option called the thin feature. We can use this one to create a hollow shell. There is in and out option here. If we select out option, it won't be technically possible to revolve the rectangular sketch. Select OK. See, a hollow part is created. Again, Edit Feature. Select 30 degrees. Uncheck the thick feature option. Select only two contours. This is how we create revolved structures in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.